visit the family. Words are made of letter people. A, B, C, D, follow me.
The letter people. Today, silent E and the ing sound.
Hello, guys and dolls, moms and dads, cats and dogs. Take off your hats, take off your coats, keep your worries on the doorstep, because it's time for another swinging, singing evening at Frantic Freddy's Rocking, Hopping, Dancing Party. And now, the jumpingest cat in all of Letter People Land. Here he is, that ramblin' wreck of the Record Rack, Frantic Freddy! Thank you, Tom Fargo! Hey, kids, what's happening?
Freddy's happening!
That's right! And to all you kids out there in video land, stop biting your nails, sucking your thumb, and blowing your gum, because I've got news to wipe away your blues. And what is the news?
Tell us, Freddy!
Oh, Frantic Freddy's going to be losing sleep the next couple of weeks. Yes! Yours truly will be trying to stay awake for one whole week, playing mountains of sounds for your listening pleasure.
Hey, that's spinning him, Freddy.
Now, you're probably asking old Freddy why he's taking on such an eye-opening experience.
Why, Freddy?
I'm glad you asked. I will be trying to break the record set by the old Sandman himself, Sleepy DJ Bedbug Anderson, who stayed awake for 6 whole days playing music before finally falling asleep to I Dream of Jeannie with the light bulb head. And you'll be able to see the record-breaking moment right here on the Rocking, Hopping, Dancing Party. So, the show is set. The records are ready to start spinning steady, and here to kick off the show with the #1 song in Letter People Land this week. For the 2nd week in a row, the Letter Girls and the Ing Sound, Part 2.
Another P for tap, and we're tapping. Another T for cut, and we're cutting. We can still play the ING game, and our short sounds will remain the same. You've heard about me, silent Missy. I have a special problem with ING. I've given up my sound, but I won't share my crown. If the vowels can keep their long sounds, I'll happily leave. We can tap, tap, tap like a woodpecker in a tree. We can cut, cut, cut like a scissors cutting through a seam. We can tap, tap, tap like a woodpecker in a tree. We can cut, cut, cut like a scissors cutting through a seam. We can tap, tap, tap like a woodpecker in a tree. We can cut, cut, cut like a scissors cutting through a seam.
Okay, let's hear it for the Letter Girls. Thank you, Letter Girls. My heart starts beating every time I hear that ing sound. All right, we'll be back with more annex from the Brannics after this important word. kids, this is Frantic Freddy here to tell you about another cool way of using the new ing sound that's sweeping through letter people land. Ing. It just tickles my mouth. Let's say you have a cool word like hope. Now, you never hear Frantic Freddy say, "Here's hope, you like it?" No, sirree, Bob. You hear him say, "Here's hoping you like it." Hoping. You hear the ing sound? It comes at the end of the word. Listen, hoping. Cool. Now, you can stay cool in school and use the ing sound if you follow this simple rule. Take any long vowel word that ends in silent E, like hope. Drop the silent E and add ing. And presto, there you have it. Another cool way to use the ing sound. Hoping. Now, you're probably asking old Freddy, why drop silent E? Doesn't silent E tell people that the vowel will use her long sound? The answer is, of course, yes. But listen up. When ing does its thing, Ms. Silent E has agreed to split the scene. You know, leave, go away, vamoose. If the vowel can still use her long, strong sound. That's right. So stay cool and use the rule whether you're shaking or baking, riding or biting, taking or staking. We'll be back to the dance, and you'll get a chance to see Sleepy Freddy not go to Betty and break Sandman's record. So keep your feet under your seat. I'll be right back at the rack. Now listen and glisten to this.
And now, here's something you don't see every day. A magician diving into a cup of coffee.
Dive.
Once again, a magician diving into a cup of coffee.
Diving.
Would you care for some more coffee, sir?
And now, once again, here's Freddy! Here's Freddy! Hey, Freddy, you're on!
Oh, what's happening? Well, kids, Freddy's happening. And he's been awake for 3 whole days, hoping to break the record set by the old milkman, Sandman Man, PPCP, PJ, DJ Burger Bug, Waterbug Sanderson, man. What'd you say about that?
Keep driving, Freddy!
Oh, every waking moment, my friends. Say, kids, if you have nothing going on and you feel like shaking your legs, come on down to the record rack and try keeping old Freddy awake. And bring a pillow and a teddy bear, too. Oh, we'll be back after this message with the new hit from the Lazy Good-for-Nothings and Work.
Work? Work.
Hi-yo, Silver!
Okay, hey, we'll be right back after this word!
Wave. Waving.
And now, once again, here's Freddy! Hey, Freddy. And now, here's Freddy! Freddy? Freddy!
I'll look for a job tomorrow, Mom.
Hey, Freddy, this is the TV show, Freddy. Freddy.
Hey, how long have I been awake, man?
You've been awake 6 days, Freddy.
Oh, good. Wake me up when it's 7.
Freddy!
What's all the racket for?
It's stomping time, Freddy!
Oh, that silly dance contest. Well, okay. Hey, Tom Fargo, let them know what they get if they win that good.
Kids, if you are the lucky ones to win tonight's stomping contest, you will win the Going Game! A fast-moving, fun-filled game of change. Start with any word that ends with a long vowel, like go. Add ing, and change it to going, like going to school, going bananas, or going to bed. Take going with you wherever you go. Okay, Freddie, back to you. Freddie, back to... Freddie!
Hey, the winner of the dance contest is... Who won the contest, man?
No one.
The dancers were that bad?
Well, hey, the dance contest hasn't started yet.
Oh, well, let's get going.
Well, we can't dance without music.
You can't? Oh, you can't? Well, then, here's a blast from the past that's bound to last. The TNT and... Kapow!
5 minutes to go, and you beat the record, Freddie!
When can I go to sleep?
Yes, you can!
Oh, goody, man. Sleep is a cool word, man. Sleeping!
Just 1 more minute, Freddie!
I can't make it.
Say, kids, hey, let's keep Freddie awake and count him down with some ing sounds. Bite.
Fighting!
Like.
Liking!
Skate.
Skating! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah!
Say, hey, kids! Freddie has just broken old Sandman Sleepy DJ Bedbug Anderson's all-time record for staying awake! Congratulations, Freddie! Okay, well, good night, Freddie, and good night, kids! Sweet dreaming!
Come and meet the letter people. Come and visit the family. Words are made of letter people. A, B, C, D.